Welcome back to another edition of Pre-Market Pulse Game with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports that we place in your hand each and every trading day. All right, so today is going to be a very quick video because this is our pre-FOMC video, and we're going to take a look at what we are watching for tomorrow. Lord willing, there will be a FOMC live tomorrow. Okay, that's what I'm planning to do. So hopefully, Lord willing, we'll be able to do that. All right, so what we want to look at first here is gold futures. Okay, still moving sideways, as you can see. All right, holding for the FOMC tomorrow with a bullish bias still in this market. Next, we got let's see here. We got give me a second. All right, so okay, there's gold. All right, so next we got on the list silver. Let's go ahead and pull that up. All right, as you can see here, silver, same as gold, moving sideways with a bullish bias ahead of the FOMC tomorrow. So both gold and silver still remain in the bullish bias right now. As far as the NASDAQ 100, let me go ahead and pull that up real quick. All right, so the NASDAQ 100, here we go. You can see still the bullish bias here as well. But again, still in a consolidated wait and see pattern. Most of these markets are going to have the same similar patterns. Not a whole lot we can do about that. I don't see a lot of variance in that either. I think this is just where we're going to be until the markets can determine and ascertain where we are going from here. All right, markets need to know. Markets want to know. They don't like indecision. They don't like not knowing. They don't like not having the correct answers. All right. People want to know. We don't like indecision. And nature abhors a vacuum. So decisions need to be made. Answers need to be had moving forward. Okay. So next thing that we want to take a note of here is the euro dollar. All right. Here's the euro dollar. Same type of a consolidation here on top, but slightly different. As of right now, it has a bearish bias, and we're expecting that rallies here will be sold. All right, anything can change tomorrow, though, so there's a contingency plan in place. If you look at the Pulse Wave report for the euro dollar for tonight and tomorrow's trading, you will see that contingency plan in there. All right, here is the euro yen. All right, same type of a situation, but we have a bearish bias here in the euro yen heading into tomorrow. All right, so still moving sideways though, not a lot going on. Take it here now. Look at nat gas. Okay, here's nat gas. All right, same thing. All right, except for this one now it has a bullish bias. We have a rally alert coming into today's trading. We got no upside production as of yet, but we'll look at see what happened over the next 24 hours going into tomorrow's FOMC report. So there's the nat gas there. Bitcoin, okay, so Bitcoin still has an upward trajectory. We're still getting upside production from the rally alert back here. Those of you that have been long the Bitcoin using the PulseWave reports, please stick to the reports. Don't try to second guess anything. Just do what the report says to do and trail those open positions with your stops. All right, you don't want to get caught out there. Markets can turn on a dime, and you need to be aware of that. All right. Don't think that it can't happen or that it won't happen, because it most likely will happen. Volatility is no joke. All right, taking here now a look at the crude oil. This is by way of the ticker OIH. All right, we came into today with a rally alert, and yes, this got upside production. I see the bottom of the Kumo cloud and the overhead trend line resistance in play as the initial target going into tomorrow. We do have a bullish bias in OIH. Taking a look at the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ 100 ETF, bullish bias going into tomorrow. And so momentum is definitely on the side of the majority of the market so far. All right. And so right now, I think this is what's going to continue to go in. Here's SLV. All right, this is the silver ETF. We still have a bullish bias going into tomorrow's report as well. And a lot of these too, you're seeing this bullish weekly trend momentum reading as well for those that have a bullish bias going into tomorrow's announcement. Here's the S&P 500 by way of ticker SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. All right, we have a bullish bias here too. Not really getting any upside production at all from the rally alert back here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Today was the 4th day. Tomorrow is the 5th day. Either we're going to get upside production tomorrow with this bullish weekly trend momentum reading, or we're not. The market will reverse or whatever. So we're watching, man, because these are some anomalies that are coming into play now. Here's your bonds. All right, this is ticker TLT, as you can see. All right, bullish bias coming into tomorrow. The market is just hanging out up here around the trend line resistance, just hanging out. All right, so this trend line resistance and the overhead bottom of the Kumo cloud are acting as real resistance points, real heavy, but the bias is still here. The market is just levitating for now. Will the market break down or will it break out? Tough to say. Bonds are a heavy controlled market right now. All right, looking back to the nat gas instead of the futures, we're going to look now at the UNG. Came in here with a rally alert today. Got no upside bias, but who's to say that we won't get that upside production? We do have a bullish bias going into the announcement tomorrow. All right, so we got our eyes and ears open, man. We're waiting. We're looking. We're going to see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, Lord willing, we will do a live FOMC tomorrow. So you definitely want to be here for that. All right. So I'll see you guys in the trading room. And hopefully tomorrow will yield some type of results. We'll find out what's really going on, see what's really good out here. All right. So with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.